Hey everyone, welcome back to Minimal Earth Life, where we focus on simple choices that create a calmer home and a lighter impact on the planet. Today, we're talking about one everyday item that perfectly represents minimalist living, the insulated stainless steel water bottle. It replaces disposable plastic bottles, reduces waste, and simplifies your daily routine, all with just one intentional purchase. I've selected 5 insulated stainless steel water bottles that are practical, durable, and aligned with a minimalist lifestyle. Let's take a closer look. Number 5. Awala FreeSip Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, 24 ounces. First is the Awala FreeSip, a smart design that blends convenience with simplicity. What makes this bottle stand out is its 2-in-1 lid. You can sip through the straw or tilt it back and drink normally, all from one lid. That means fewer accessories, fewer parts, and less clutter, a very minimalist-friendly design. It's BPA-free, insulated to keep drinks cold for hours, and great for daily routines, travel, or work days. If you like functionality without complication, this one fits beautifully into a minimalist life. Number 4. Hydro Flask Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, 21 ounces. Next is the Hydro Flask, a true classic. This bottle focuses on what matters most: strong insulation, leak-proof design, and long-term durability. There's nothing extra here, just clean design and reliable performance. For minimalists, this represents the idea of buy once, use for years. No trends, no replacements, just one dependable bottle you reach for every day. Number 3. Bamboo Metal Insulated Water Bottle, 16 ounces. If you love a natural, earthy, and eco-focused aesthetic, the bamboo bottle is a great choice. It has a clean, branding-free look that feels calm and intentional. No loud colors, no distractions. It's vacuum-insulated, reusable, and made for people who care about sustainability as much as simplicity. This bottle reflects slow living, choosing fewer things that align with your values. Number 4. Powcan Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, 26 ounces. The Powcan bottle is perfect for everyday practicality. It features a 2-in-1 straw and spout lid, fits in car cup holders, and keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Minimalism doesn't mean limiting your life. It means choosing tools that work smoothly with it. If your routine includes school, work, or fitness, this bottle supports your day without adding stress or waste. Number 1. Iron Flask Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, 40 ounces. Last is the Iron Flask, ideal for those who prefer fewer refills and more efficiency. The larger size helps you stay hydrated all day with one bottle, reducing the need for multiple containers. It's sturdy, insulated, and designed for long days, outdoor use, or busy schedules. This is minimalism through efficiency, one item doing its job really well. Each of these bottles supports minimalist living in its own way, by reducing waste, simplifying habits, and replacing disposable items. Minimalism isn't about perfection. It's about making small, intentional choices that add up over time. A reusable water bottle is one of the easiest places to start. If you'd like to explore any of the bottles mentioned today, I've placed the links in the description below. Thank you for spending time with Minimal Earth Life. If you enjoyed this calm, minimalist approach, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.